It's more so we're, able to kind of get from where we are to really where we want to be with regards to our quality of life, our energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, immune system, balancing hormones. There's just so many things that you can do, and so it's all about Alright, so what I do to set myself up for success for the supplements is I actually have a AM and PM capsule holder, and I put this in my pantry, so I basically know to get my supplements for the morning and for the afternoon, and that will help me stay on track from a energy, digestion, vitamin and mineral supplement standpoint, and so this is really helpful. So if you don't use these, then you can also use an AM and a PM bowl and put that somewhere where you won't miss it. So that's another strategy that can be used as well. And so what I do is I just basically open up each one of these and get them ready. So, well, the first step is opening up all these. And so this is kind of the first step. Boom, there we go. I probably need to clean that out. Look at that, that looks, oh my goodness. But that's a lot of extra vitamins and minerals that didn't make it into my body. Anyways, here we go. So I put that down here, and let's get ready to get all this situated. I do have a knife here that will help a little bit. I always want to cut away from the body, not towards the body. Opening these up. Alright, so we're kind of getting that situated. Alright, here we go. So the way that I put these in is I put a couple per basically capsule slot here, so 2 there. Probably can't see that very well, but let's put this with my left hand. Boom, there we go. Oops, got an extra one in there. Oh, where'd it go? Maybe not. All right. So this is going to set my week up for success as I kind of put these in here. And it's 2 for the morning and 2 for the evening. Oops. And as I put these in, oops, hey, hello, popping on out there. There we go. Okay. So once I got that all situated, I kind of double check to make sure there's 2 in each one. And then what I do is I just kind of put that off to the side up here to know that I have already used it. And then we open up the next one, cut away from me. And then, let's see. So open these up. So this one's kind of easier to open, kind of just punch it. This is Alpha CRS Plus. Again, this helps with cellular energy, and it's 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, and just kind of put that in. And so this is kind of like my supplement ritual that I do once I get my shipment, and also once a week to kind of just, again, prepare for everything. And it's best to consume these when you eat food for better absorption as well. And these are going to be better absorbed as well because they're from whole food plant-based ingredients as well. And so that is done. So I will put that off to the side. And then we have the vitamins and minerals that are whole food based. So I'm going to open that up. And open that up. Just kind of punch that. All right, and so it's kind of nice because they're different colors. So you can kind of tell which, so that you don't double place supplements in a particular AM or PM slot. And then I just kind of keep grabbing some more until I get to my goal of 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. And then if you have kids, you can, depending how old they are, their height, weight, gender, you could do, 1 of each. But yeah, if they're pretty much, young adult, 14 and up or so, you could probably do 2 each. Again, it also depends on their height and weight, and if you're more active or if you weigh more, then you'll probably need more as well. Okay, so these are enzymes. So what I do is I just kind of open that up this way, and so what I do is I actually put these with my capsules to break down any food that I had already eaten. And the best time to take your enzymes is about 30 minutes before you eat with water to kind of line the bottom of your stomach with enzymes so that any cooked food that lands there will be landing on a nice bed of enzymes to help break it down. And then if you had already, if you're eating something 100% raw, which is typically only a case of like salads and smoothies, or fruit and stuff, then it's okay to do an enzyme to break down what was in there before, maybe the previous meals or night before as well. And then lastly, I do the probiotics here, and I do about 1 of these per day. Although I do recommend you probably, there's only 30 in here, but sometimes I like to double up and get 2 a month and then kind of double up. And these are going to be especially important if you have been under the weather and you've taken other over-the-counter or prescription synthetics that destroy the microbiome or the microorganisms in your body. But this is going to be really, really good to support your digestive health. And you see I did kind of like Noah's Ark, 2 of each. But you could do less. It just kind of depends on what you're going through. But I like to use enough so that I'm supporting my digestive health, because a lot of your health stems from your digestion, and it's so important to do that. So I'll place this back on top here like that for the AM, right here on the PM, and then boom, there we go. So now I'm supporting myself from an energy standpoint, actually from a sleep standpoint as well, because I'm having more of, again, the digestive health is really important for helping your brain and a lot of different body functions. And then what else? You can help you're just helping your body on a cellular level, and this is really key. Keeps me on track. And I put this in the pantry, and I make sure that I take them every day. And if I don't take them, I feel naked. So that's really key. And that is my morning regimen with that. And then I'm going to put all the other stuff away. And basically that's how I break down the boxes. And I actually recycle everything too. So I recycle all these containers and all that stuff as well. So I'm trying to give my body the best and trying to leave less of a footprint on the earth as well. And be a good steward of everything. All right. As you can see, I got a lot of great products in my doTERRA LRP shipment, and I wanted to just share that with you to show how wellness can be a lifestyle and not just something that you react to, but when you do so proactively, your quality of life not only increases, but then you can also maintain a higher level of excellence with regards to your health, so that it's not so reactive when things dip down and then we're trying to get out of a ditch. It's more so we're able to kind of get from where we are to really where we want to be with regards to our quality of life, our energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, immune system, balancing hormones. There's just so many things that you can do, and so it's all about not only attaining wellness but sustaining it, and if you can get incremental gains as well over time, that's going to be key. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on.